Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Google Chrome browser. So firstly you need to open Chrome browser, then click on these three dots. Now in here click on settings, scroll down, click on advanced, again scroll down, and here you will see option restore settings to their original defaults. So just you need to click on restore settings to their original defaults. Now it will ask and you will see this dialog box, reset settings. This action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history and saved passwords won't be affected. So if you are sure, click on reset settings. So hopefully guys, you like this video. By these simple and easy steps, we can know how to factory reset Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.